Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to log in Worth Finance. First step is to open your browser. Now click on the search bar and type in Worth Finance login. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo, click on it. Now to log in, you have to type in your last 4 social security number and your date of birth. So type in your SSN number. Now type in your date of birth. Now you have to click on this box to ensure that you are not a robot. If you need any help logging in, you can click on this link. Now click on lookup account, and these are the simple steps that you can follow to log in Worth Finance. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.